Sure, we're going on that ground ball. Freezing on the line drive, tagging on the outfield. All right, get us the lead right here. Clear. Good. If he picks off to first, extend, okay? Don't come back to the bag. Watch out for picks to third. Extend, extend, extend. Clear. See it through. No throw, no throw, no throw, no throw. You could tell that that throw wasn't a real throw, right? It was like 40%. You knew it was fake. And yours. There. Score, score, score. Hey, he's giving you another step. Take another. Stay up, 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 up. Okay, now you gotta get down. Now you gotta get down. Henry, what does this mean? What does this mean? Good swing. You guys give me heart attacks. Hey, so 1 out. We're freezing on the line drive, going on ground balls, or playing deep, tagging on the fly ball like you just hit, all right? Justin's a great guy for getting us ground ball RBIs. 1 out, be ready for it, okay? Score, 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 score! Hey, give me another, Henry! Get to 3, Henry, get to 3, get to 3! Run hard, Henry, get down! Dude, we swing it, we swing it. Hey, you're up, you're up, you're up, you're up! Hey, stay, stay, stay! Did you hear me that time? Okay. Good, Andre.
Good pitch.
I got it.